yoga skin. What is this yoga skin? I did yoga for 2 minutes now and nothing is happening on my skin. What is this yoga skin, man? So basically at the start of this year, there is this makeup artist who did makeup on a model and using a lot of oils and highlighters in a little bit of foundation and applying it on your skin. So what does it give is, it gives this glowy, dewy finish skin which gives you an illusion that you just came out of yoga class, sweating and glow from within. But because we can't do yoga, I am not a yoga fan, I won't get a yoga from within glow. So let's just do the makeup and get the glow. So let's just dig right into the video. So before starting any makeup, we have to prep our skin. But she didn't explain how she prepped up the skin. So we will do our bit, and first I'll use this Ilana serum on my face as a moisturizer or as a below layer. So next I will use primer on my skin, as she didn't use any primer, but I have little pores and I want to cover it, as our today's makeup is going to be very shiny and I don't want my pores to just peek out from that makeup. So taking a little of the primer, not much, rubbing it between my fingers and applying it all over my face. This makeup procedure doesn't include a hell lot of products, but a lot of highlighters, liquid illuminators and all. So first I am going to use my Huda Beauty foundation and I am in the shade Brown Sugar. I'm using this foundation because I'm not going to use any concealer, and whatever 1 or 2 drops I'm going to use of it, I want that coverage because my skin is pimple free but it has some darkness issues. So taking 2 pumps of my Huda Beauty foundation on my hand, and she doesn't use any palette and all, she takes just her hand, put few drops. I think for my full face I'll just take this much, which is 1.5 1.5 pump. Then she takes an illuminator, and for that I'm taking a liquid highlighter from Nykaa called Strobe and Glow. I am in the shade, wait, what shade it is? In the shade Glazed Bronze. So taking taking 2 drops. I think 2 drops will be sufficient. Yeah, 2 drops or 3 drops? No, 2 drops. We want to be in limit. I don't want my face to look super oily. Then what I'm going to do is, then I'm taking this highlighter and scrubbing a little bit off because I don't have any more highlighter with me, and putting it in my hand. Then she also take an essential oil or like liquid. I'm taking this skin serum which I use later on, just 1 pump of it to mix everything up, and then I'm going to do is rub it all over my hand. OMG, just look at it, it's so shiny. And rubbing it all over my face. but my Huda foundation has actually covered a lot of my face and acne. So Huda I think is a very good choice. Let me blend everything up because I'm not going to use any of my brush for this. See, now my face is super shiny, glowy, and can I say that is it the glow from within? We'll find it later on. So now the next step is, because there is a lot of oil on my face, I have to set it with the powder, but we can't set the whole face or else our glow will be gone. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this Fit Me Loose Finish powder in the shade 25 medium, just dabbing it under my eye area. And also near my nose because it creases a lot. Basically a little bit of T-zone, nothing much. So the next step is mascara because the foundation I applied by my hands is also on my lashes now. And for mascara I'm taking Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline, New York. So this mascara is very natural and not something crazy. So that's the reason. Today we have to be on the natural side more. Obviously fake natural, but. So that's it with the mascara, and the next step is blush because we want that pinky glow from within. For that I'm using this lipstick which is from L18 Colourpop Matte, and I'm in the shade from Pink P26. So this lipstick is a nice pinky lipstick, and because we can't use any powder product today, so everything should be cream based. So again taking this lipstick like the usual, rubbing it and applying it on my cheeks. So that's my blush. So as you can see now, my pink blush is giving the pink inside glow or not, whatever. So the next step in our yoga makeup is lipstick. So as we want to stick towards the natural side, obviously I'm going to use the nude shade. So this is my all-time favorite nude, My Lips But Better situation. So for that shade I'm using Sugar Cosmetics. It's a Pout Time Vivid lipstick in the shade 08 Drum Town Abbey. It's a beautiful brown shade, and applying it on my lips. So that's it for my lipstick, and I guess we have covered all the steps with it. What do you guys think about this yoga makeup? So my thought on this look is, because this look is very oily and dewy and I haven't set it with my powder, I can't wear it outside because of a lot of pollution and a lot of dust and all. It will all stick on my face and will make me more tan and more black, and it's not good also. And plus I want my concealer, I want my other steps also. So, and it is also highlighting my dark circles more, and plus I can't even scratch my face or else everything will be in my fingers and out of the face. So this makeup is best for, I think, photos and just indoor, but I can't wear it outside or I can't wear it regularly. And plus I have just completed my makeup, so this glow is only of the products, and once it gets sets, and after few minutes or 15 minutes, my natural oil will start coming out and it will be all mess. So this look is good for temporary basis, but for wearing I won't recommend it. So guys, I did this look because it's a makeup trend 2019 and I have to do this because of this makeup crazy person I am, and I hope you all like it. And what do you guys think? Is it like the yoga makeup we can say? And if you know any other crazy makeup trend going right now, please comment in me or DM me or message me or whatever. I will surely try and do it for you guys free. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button because your likes will tell me that you're liking the video or not. Plus guys, if you want to see the daily update, please follow me on Instagram, which is @Miss Snehal Salunke, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then,